welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing an anti-haul for you guys. And if you guys don't know what those are, it's a video where I sit here and talk to you guys about product. Not guys, my camera just was full and I didn't notice it. But basically an anti-haul is where I show you products that I'm not going to be picking up, that did not like give me any interest to pick up. But before I get into all of that, I do want to welcome you to my new channel. I guess you can say I did change my name, as you can tell. It used to be Velma I, and now I just changed it short because a lot of people, a lot of my family, a lot of my friends call me Vel. Like, they don't even deal with Velma. You can call me what you want, and I went ahead and added my last name until I officially get it changed. I don't know, I like my last name, so this is Vel Perez. So no more Velma Lee. Lee is my middle name, and a lot of people do get confused and wonder why my middle name is Lee. I don't know, my mom named me that. So also a new thing is I will be doing uploads more for vlogging. I'm gonna be vlogging a lot because my husband, my sweet husband, he bought me a vlogging camera for Christmas, so I'm super excited. Like, I have been vlogging. I started yesterday right when I got it. Oh my god, my hair's bad. So I'm here vlogging and I just wanted to share with you guys, like, I mean, who am I talking to right now? I got confused, guys. I'm like recording off of two cameras and my mind just was like, it went blank. For the people watching the vlog, I'm filming a video right now and this is the anti-haul video. And for you guys watching my channel, I'm vlogging. Right, anyway, I'm loving it. It's a Canon like my other Canon. But anyway, let's get on into the anti-haul. Just want to do a quick disclaimer that I'm in no way like shaming any company. I love all makeup equally. If it works, it works. If it's drugstore and if it is super cheap and it does the job, then I really love it. Not like a super high-end person. I'm not all drugstore, so I'm just kind of in the middle. So I really want to not waste so much money on makeup. Like, I just purchased these two things yesterday at Ulta, but I really needed this. This is my go-to setting spray and I will forever purchase that. So it's pretty much a repurchase. I didn't buy anything new except this. I did want to try it and I'm wearing it right now. Let me know if you guys want a full video of me like trying it on half of my face and seeing how my foundation lasts or whatnot. I think I'll film that tomorrow. I don't know. I heard really good things about it. So that being said, now we can go ahead and get into the actual video. Excuse that this side is brighter. I just feel like I'm right by my window, so I'm gonna have to move things around because it's like cutting, I don't know, it's creating weird lighting. Excuse my hair. Like, when my hair lady doesn't have time, it makes me so sad because now I have to have ugly hair for Christmas and it sucks. But right now we just gotta work with me looking a little bald. This is my little tiny ponytail. I gotta look very scruffy, sorry. I almost want to dye my hair brown because then I won't really have to deal with it as much. And I don't know, what do you guys think? The Rose All Day Set and Glow Illuminating Setting Powder and Dewy Balm Duo. And it smells like roses, it has cool packaging, but it has a balm and I'm never, like, I know I will never. I obviously don't have the product, but it kind of looks like this. It's just round. And then I'm pretty sure I'll put a picture here, and it has like a section of it that's a balm that I will never touch because creamy products on top of powder products, it just doesn't work. And I don't see myself like applying that powder underneath powder, you know what I mean? Like, I will never, not something I plan on using. Next, I'm going to be talking about the Hola Chola collection by ColourPop. I will not be picking up any of these palettes. Like, ColourPop palettes don't really do it for me. I never really was a big fan. I did, however, just get one for my daughter, the Frozen 2, and it's in her stocking. So, I mean, like, for teenagers starting out, I think it's great. I really do love their ColourPop Super Shock Shadows, but I have not purchased those in so many years. Like, I don't remember. I think last I purchased like a few blushes and highlighters and they didn't work for me at all. But their eyeshadows I would repurchase again. It's just that they come out with so much. Like, they are just spitting out. I heard that they're like launching every single Friday. That's too much. Like, I get overwhelmed and I don't get excited, and then it just kind of is like, eh, like I'm not into it. Charlotte Tilbury came out with a new palette called the Pillow Talk. It's really cute. The packaging looks cute, but the colors, it's just very neutral. Like I said, I already have colors like that. If you're somewhat of like a palette collector, then you might want it, but I can't go there. And I do notice that it has like more matte shadows, that it's very wearable, it's usable. Like if somebody gifted it to me, I would use it, but I'm not gonna like go out of my way to go buy it. There's the Linda Hellberg Cosmetics. I don't know if you guys heard of them, but they have a really pretty palette that's coming out for the holidays, and it has 4 shadows, but I can honestly never see me go through that at all. Like maybe I would use it once for like a holiday look because it has like a really pretty gold and it has a really pretty green, but if I'm gonna want that green, I'd rather purchase the mini palette from Shane Dawson. And yeah, the white in this palette looks just super glittery, which I really like a frosty white for like the inner corner and stuff, but not like super flaky the way it looks like. And the black, I don't really wear sparkly black. Like it's just something I would never use, but it is super pretty. Like if you have seen it, it's really pretty. And then the last palette that I do want to talk about is something I'm pretty sure everybody wants it. Like this one is more also like if you gift it to me, I would love it. I would probably be in love with it. I would use it every single day. But it is the Tati palette, and nothing against her, nothing against the palette. It looks beautiful. I bet you it's amazing, but I would never spend my money on it. Like I'm just trying not to spend money on makeup in general. So it's not something I would personally like go out and purchase. It looks beautiful, but I just would not buy it. I won't be buying it. And then the very last one, because I keep saying the last palette, the last one, the Milani Gilded Shadows. It's called Milani Gilded Desires, and they're palettes. And I don't know, I mean, it's cool for affordable makeup. I don't see myself picking it up ever. But that is it, guys. I hope that you enjoyed this really quick short video of me just giving you guys an anti-haul. Let me know what you will not be picking up for the end of the 2019, and also let me know what videos you want to see from me. If you want to see more hauls, leave it in the comments down below, and thank you for watching. Bye.